From a little feline view, I see the world so bright. Join us on our rainforest walk beneath the morning light. With every step I take, the cool dirt feels so sweet. Pouncing through the foliage, oh, life is such a treat. Australia's beauty calls us, where the tall trees sway. In this world of wonder, we just can't help but play. Oh, come along, my friends, let's explore this land. With whiskers twitching freely in the soft, warm sand. We'll chase the gentle breezes in the shadows that we see. In the heart of this rainforest, just my buddies and me. As we wander through the thicket, hear the calls of the wild. Cockatoos soar up high, oh, how they make me smile. Maybe a wombat's hiding or a kangaroo on the run. Will they stop and stare or join our furry fun? Every corner we turn, adventures waiting there. With paws dancing lightly, we've not a single care. Oh, come along, my friends, let's explore this land. With whiskers twitching freely in the soft, warm sand. We'll chase the gentle breezes and the shadows that we see. In the heart of this rainforest, just my buddies and me. We'll leap over streams and climb high in the trees. Life's a joyful journey, flying on the breeze. With nature as our playground in this world so grand. From a cat's point of view, everything feels so planned. Maybe we'll make new friends in the vibrant shades of green. Each moment an adventure, oh, the sights we've seen. In the light of the sunset, as the day starts to wane, we'll purr with satisfaction through the gentle